Hello everyone. Thank you for coming and watching us making my cutting table for my sewing room. So we decided to move things around in my sewing room and came up that we had two of these Ikea 2x2s to make a cutting table, but I needed another one. So we decided to go to Ikea to get another one with the same color, and they didn't have it at all. And I was like, I want it to match. So, trying to find one, I went onto Facebook Marketplace and found one that is similar in color. And from the measurements that they gave me before I went and picked it up, it looked like it was exact same one. When we put them together into where we put the two side by side, face to front, and then we put the new one at the end, it was a ½ inch taller. Put a piece of wood to make it level. But let's get to the video so you can see exactly what we're doing. So what we're doing is we're making a platform for all of the IKEA 2x2s to set inside of. So that's why we're doing, we measured all the way across and added our 1 inch spacers all the way around the edge. So what we're making is like a lip on the bottom of the plywood, so that way it'll set inside. And then we'll be adding casters to the bottom part of it. That way we can actually take it apart for future, like if we're ever going to move, or if we need to move it to a different part of the house, we can easily take it apart. It's not permanent. So that way every piece of this is actually going to be just setting on top of itself, and the weight itself will hold it all together. And as long as we have our measurements, and just let you guys know, you will have to measure your cutting table area. Just make sure that you add that lip around the edge for your 1x2s, so that way you can actually have it set inside. Our measurements are not ideally correct because remember, we had one that was different than the other two.
Not
So we had to
by
sort
DeWalt.
of, one side is smaller than the other by like 1/8 of an inch. In the overall scheme, that will affect when you're building something. So do your drawing, measure twice before you do any kind of cutting. This is just the rundown of us cutting out this plywood, getting these 1x2s together. I just wanted to let you guys see it, and we, also are waiting for casters at this moment. But measuring twice, laying the project on top of it is going to save you so much time, and you won't waste a lot of your material. And you don't want to go and buy more wood because it's extremely expensive right now. We did lose a lot of footage somehow during the course of us videoing this, but just gonna do a little sound in and let you guys know what we're going on. So if you need anything, set in the comments, because love to hear from you. Really, I would. Sponsored by DeWalt.
Not really sponsored by DeWalt, but he's sending some money.
But they don't even know it. That's what's funny.
DeWalt's sending some money. I'm happy with that.
So what we're doing is getting the measurement. If you look at that, that is going to be the hole where this is going to set. We're going to drill through here and a little bit into here, into the black counter, so that way we can have these in between.
Yes.
Okay, on all four. So that way it's perfectly measured all the way around. Okay. We got our holes marked right there.
These little doohickeys right here will go into that hole.
Yep.
Once we drill that out.
Yes.
And then this will connect to that hole on here.
Yes. And the funny part about this is every piece will be able to take apart if we ever want to move it or take it somewhere. Okay.
Putting this little doohickey right there. There's a hole. We build some holes in the field. There you go.
Yep. Now he's going to drill a hole into the center. We already have it marked.
Yeah. I'll drill a pilot hole and then put a screw in there.
Just like we did these ones. And these ones are already done. Then we got to paint it. That's it. And this is upside down right now. So right now we're painting this top part, and then we're going to flip it over and paint the other side with the posts. It's almost the same color as the actual cabinet, just a shade different. See you tomorrow.
You need to not video.
I'm not putting you in it, Mackenzie. I'm just videoing you painting your hand. That's all I'm doing.
In my stomach.
No, you don't even see your stomach. I swear. I'm gonna cut out the sound too. Don't worry.
Why? Everybody loves SMR, Mom. You're missing out on SMR. I need more paint though. Thanks. I'm being a perfectionist right now. Are you just like so tired?
Hi, my name is Robin, and this is Coco. This is our 50th cut. Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd really appreciate it. Please comment below. That way she don't have to do this no more.
Okay.